Hey guys, Scope Scripter here. Welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make working lasers in Roblox Studio that move up and down. First, we're going to insert a part. I'm going to make this part a little bit smaller, and I'm going to make the material neon and the color red. I'm going to anchor this part, and I'm just going to make it a little bit longer. Next, we're going to insert a script into the part. This will make the part move up and down. But first, I'm going to call the part laser. Okay, copy this script, and I will tell you what it does. This part will make the part move down. And this part will make the part move up. This is because we want the laser to move up and down. So this script basically makes the laser move up and down infinitely because it's a while true do loop. To change the amount, to change the length that the laser moves down, just change the 0.7, the negative 0.7 is something less or something more. The smaller the number, the less it will move down, but the larger the number, the more it will move down or up, whichever way you edit it. I'm going to just set mine to 0.3 and negative 0.3. This looks good. Now we can go back to the base plate. But what if we want our laser to actually do damage? Well, that's why we're going to make an instant kill script. Inside the laser, insert another script. And in this script, you're going to write this. What this script will do, it will instantly kill the player. You can also make it do damage and not instantly kill the player. To do that, change human.health to whatever you want the health of the player to be after he hits the laser. It could be 50, 90, 10, whatever you want, but I'm just going to change it back to 0 for an instant kill. So there we go. Now it's time to test out our game. Let's play it and see if it works. Okay, we're in the game. And as you can see, the laser moves up and down. And if we touch it, we die. The only thing I'd recommend doing is I'd recommend setting can collide false on the laser. This will give it a cleaner death effect so that you can walk through the laser and it will kill you. Like so. Just wait for it to load. Here we go. Okay. So now if you walk through it. So there we go. I hope this tutorial helped you guys out. If it did, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.